So let's start with some of the basics. How is a business split up in a divorce? Well, almost all the time, the business is going to be marital property. All right. And we know that from all of our appellate opinions. As marital property, doesn't matter whether the other spouse has an ownership interest or not because of their contributions. This is legally speaking, because of their contributions as homemaker or primary caregiver for the children. All right, so that gives them a marital interest. The non-business owner spouse gets that interest. So although only lawyers can own a law firm, which would be me, I own my law firm, and my wife is legal administrator. What that means is that if she steals from my law firm, it's 50% off because she's a business, she's the spouse of the business owner, and it's all marital property anyway. So I feel very lucky. I know some money has disappeared. I don't know where it went. I'm assuming Tijuana, but I'm not sure. Anyway, so the business becomes marital property. Then it becomes a question of funding the payout. Now, there's 4 ways in a divorce that the more propertied spouse pays the less propertied or supported spouse. You got property division, you got alimony, child support, attorney's fees. All right. So from the business owner's perspective, they need to buy out the wife, and most of the time that's going to be done via long-term payment, and usually that's going to be called alimony and solido. It's going to be a fixed amount over a period of time. Now, how do you come up with the value for the business? Very simple. You have a business valuation, and I know y'all are all familiar with that. But mechanically, the divorce many times faces where the business has a much greater value than it generates in cash in any particular time, especially if the business is a relatively small business, say under $3 million in gross revenue and profitability at 15, 20%, meaning the parties have a nice lifestyle, but not enough cash to just write a check and buy the supported spouse out. So that's what makes the negotiations very, very challenging.